Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, driver attention alert system, adaptive cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.